Hi everyone, my name is Rajon Rose, and this is my CB project on Nike. Nike users are a smart, segmented strategy that targets both performance-driven athletes and lifestyle-driven sneaker collectors. On one side, we have younger athletes aged 18 to 35 who are driven by performance and innovation, often using Nike tech tools like the Run Club app. On the other, urban professionals and Gen Z sneakerheads who value cultural identity, exclusivity, and a nostalgic, especially for retro Jordans and Dunks. Nike positioned itself as both a performance innovator and a cultural icon, delivering on cutting edge tech for athletes and timeless style for collectors. We focus on two distinct segments: performance driven athletes. These consumers are competitive, tech savvy, and value performance over aesthetics. An example of this from our data is Reese, a 21-year-old college athlete who said, I only buy Nike running shoes with carbon plates, like the Zoom X Vaporfly, because they shave seconds off my marathon time. Second is the stylish nostalgic. These are mostly younger, urban consumers who are deeply about the sneaker culture and self-expression. Example of this from our study is Ethan, a high school student who skipped lunch for a month just to buy Travis Scott joints. He said flexing in class over eating. We'll use split surveys and interviews to dig deep into the why behind their behaviors. For performance athletes, the top driver is innovation. 82% prioritize tech features. 78% use the Nike Run Club app. The research specs and even test shoes in store. Reese said, I compare foam density charts for weeks. They reject fashion-focused messaging. 90% said they strongly disagree with buying shoes just for style. For the stylish nostalgic, the behavior is hype and emotion driven. 70% use sneaker.com and StockX. 65% value exclusivity. Many are willing to pay triple retail. Ava told us she spent $800 on limited Travis Scotts. The biggest pain point: bots and resale culture. They feel locked out of drops and excluded. So for the CB concepts and method, we applied key consumer behavior concepts. Motivation theory. Athletes are driven by functional needs, performance, and nostalgia. By emotional needs, identity, and expression. Decision making. Athletes use high involvement, extending problem solving. Nostalgics, fast, impulsive based decisions during drops. We collected data through 30 surveys and 10 in depth interviews. This mix of quantitative and qualitative gave us a full picture of motives, pain points, and loyalty drivers. Loyalty also differs by segment. Athletes show cognitive loyalty. They believe in Nike's proven performance. Nostalgics show affective loyalty. They feel emotionally tied to retro drops. This means our marketing strategies need to speak to both the mind and the heart, depending on the segment. For performance athletes, the takeaway is clear. They want proof that the gear works. They rely on hard data, YouTube breakdowns, and athlete endorsements. We concluded Nike should double down on tech storytelling and innovation-driven campaigns. Nostalgics, meanwhile, want to feel a part of something exclusive and cultural. Our recommendation: bring back archival drops, create events-based experience, and leverage social media for storytelling. They want to hunt for sneakers, not just buy. Now we have two recommendations for y'all with Nike. The first one strategy we have is the Prove It Works campaign for performance athletes. With this, we'll add tech specs, tags to shoe boxes like horsepower stats for shoes, maintain premium pricing, but add student athlete discounts. 65% of the price is a top concern. Add treadmill trial zones in stores. Launch a YouTube series showing lab-tested gear breakdowns since 78% watch tech reviews. Use local coaches as micro influencers because track coaches were the most trusted source. Strategy number 2. Our second is hunt the drop for stylish nostalgics. Re-release 3 classic sneakers yearly with NFC chips for authenticity, so nobody's getting any dupes. Premium for rare colors, but prevent resale abuse through verified drops. Offer early access via sneakers apps for high engagement users. Use TikTok unboxing challenges. 75% follow sneaker trends on social media. Collaborate with sneaker influencers like @Sneaker News for meetups and trust building. This concludes my presentation.